In Samara, a terrible drought struck. The skies closed, people were desperate. Then a Christian monk lifted his hands, said a prayer, and suddenly rain poured down. Confusion spread, faith began to shake. People started converting to Christianity. Islam was shaken in the capital of Caliphate. That's when the Abbasid ruler turned to none other than Imam Hassan al-Askari. The Imam looked at the monk, then at the small bone he has hidden in his fingers. He said,
"Take it from him."
"It was the bone of a prophet." And whenever such bones are raised under the open sky, Allah answers with rain. People gasped. The truth was clear. It wasn't the monk, and it was the relic. And the one who revealed it was the true inheritor of the prophets, Imam Hassan al-Askari. Even in the darkest doubt, the Imams of Ahlul Bayt safeguarded Islam with wisdom and light.